Porsche revealed the new Macan T. It's a special model that will sit between the Macan and the Macan S. Compared to the 2.9-liter V6 from the Macan S, the powertrain here weighs 58.8 kilos less. What about the numbers? The Macan T has an output of 265 PS and 400 Nm of torque. Engine is paired with a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, and of course we have the all-wheel drive system. Inside, the sports seats and multifunction GT steering wheel come as standard. Customers can order this model now, and deliveries in Germany will commence in April 2022.